this is the second time me recording my intro. It just didn't, for some reason, save my voice. Yeah, today we are going to go and visit the theme park. I really want to go and visit Peppa Pig World with the kids. We haven't been out for ages, and we've just heard that the theme park has literally just reopened. Obviously, with COVID and everything, it's been closed and they've put new measures in place. So I feel quite comfortable to go. I mean, I'm thinking it's going to be fine. Yeah, we're going to go and just going to go and explore as if we've been at home for the last 4 months. So just excited to just leave the house. Yeah, that's just me just going to complete my hair, get ready, and get the kids ready to go. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be doing more vlogs. This is just my first vlog, so bear with me, guys. Just bear with me. Okay, so I've just finished making the kids' cheese pita bread toasties, and I'm just going to wrap those up with some foil just to keep the heat in, just to keep it nice and warm throughout the journey. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys these gorgeous face masks made by Niche by Design. So shout out to Niche by Design, thank you so much. We absolutely love these face masks. These are just perfect size for the little ones' faces, and we're definitely going to make use of those at the theme park today. So thank you so much. These are gorgeous and so well made. Also, I wanted to give a shout out to Bubble Tea. Thank you so much for these hand gels. These are amazing and so considerate. Thank you so much. And we're definitely going to use these for the theme park today. We've got different flavours here. So I've got gin and tonic, mango, lime and watermelon. So these are some really lovely flavours. I'm probably going to just take both of them, one for my handbag and one for the car. So thank you so much, and I'm always appreciative and thankful when I get these kind of things from brands. So we are just so thankful. So thank you so much. So yeah, better head out now because I'm kind of running late. So yeah, let's just get in this car and let's get on with the journey. guys, it's literally 8 p.m. in the evening and we've just got back. I'm just going to make a quick dinner. I'm just going to do some spinach and wash some callaloo or kale, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to go ahead and use some of this beef kebabs. I'm just going to dice it up and kind of just make it into something easier, almost like a mince. I'm just going to mash it up and make it into a mince, and then just put that in with a bit of pasta. Just kind of a quick dinner. Just going to whip a little something together. So yeah, I will put the recipe at the end, so you guys have the recipe as well. But it's kind of a makeshift. I'm just making up something nice and quick, just for a quick dinner because it's already late, and then bath and bed for the kitty binkies, and then I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video for you guys. So yeah, don't mind me, I'm just cooking. Okay, so I wanted to end my vlog here with you guys, because today's just been an absolute long day. It's been a good day. It's been a really good day, but it's been a long day as well. And also I rewinded the film that I done previously, which was my intro, and unfortunately all the sound is completely gone. It's like you can't hear me. I had a microphone issue, which is just the story of my life right now, because for some reason it always just goes wrong. Anyway, quite proud of myself because this is my first ever vlog, and yay, I've actually finished the vlog. So I'm gonna wrap up the vlog up. Yeah, I'm gonna just wrap it up and just finish it off here. But overall, yeah, I enjoyed today. Today was a really good day. It was so nice to be out. I haven't been out for like 4 months, obviously because of the quarantining and staying home and everything. It was so nice that the theme park had literally just opened, and people were raving about how they've made it like COVID safe, and you know, they've done new precautions and everything else, which I felt a little bit more comfortable in going. I thought, okay, maybe I could take the kids, we haven't been out for a long time. So when I took them out, it was like, yeah, it's not really that COVID safe, whatnot. Like, it's not, like, obviously the queue system, which is a great idea. They've done like a good distancing between the queues. They've done like an app in place to make sure that you can, you know, you're not queuing, your queuing time and things like that, so you kind of know where you are. So the queuing times are almost like 5 minutes long for the queues, but it's the in-between bits that no one really thought about. So it's like when you're walking about, it's like, it's so busy, and I thought personally, I just assumed, I mean, no, I was never told this, but I always assumed that they would allow less people into the theme park, so it would be like, you know, sold out more quickly, because obviously they're going to let like half the amount in that they'd normally do, because normally it's like really busy and there's loads of people, whereas I thought this time they would like have like half the amount or less people, you know, in the theme park. But to me it just seemed like it was still full. Like, it was so busy, it was so many people. And then you had Peppa and George and going around. So obviously normally they would be running around with the kids, and they would just put on the rides to literally just go round, just to make sure that the kids are not chasing them, because literally soon as Peppa is out, the mascot Peppa is just strolling out, the kids are literally, they'll run and they'll rugby tackle
Peppa, which is normally so cute. But obviously with COVID, you don't really want that. You don't want the kids like running and touching Peppa. So she's like on a ride going round and round, and you kind of see her from a distance and you can wave and stuff. So that was quite sweet. It was nice. And then I think when you got off a certain ride, you could go off and say hello and stuff like that. So that was cool. So yeah, apart from that, yeah, apart from the fact that it's still quite busy, I would say, yeah, it was okay. In terms of the COVID thing, I don't know, I just feel personally that it was just far too crowded still. So going forward, would I go to the theme park again? No, I wouldn't, because I don't feel that it's good to be around that many people, kind of thing. Obviously, I went with the kids, we had our masks and everything else, but I think going forward, I can't see it working. I've been there, I don't feel it works personally. But yeah, the kids had a great time. They were happy. None, you know, they're oblivious to these things. They're just happy and playing and stuff. So they were happy. So yeah, today was a good day. Today was a good day, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, we got back really late, so I've had to just do like a quick dinner, grabbed whatever I could grab in the fridge, and it was kind of like a makeshift dinner. I will put the recipe below if you do want to copy the recipe. It actually did taste quite nice. Bunged it all together, mama style, and it worked out. Kids ate it and they were happy and they've gone to bed. So yeah, it is currently 10 o'clock and it's so late, so I'm gonna have a sleep now and wrap this video up. I just want to say, if you've made it to the end, thank you so much for watching, and as always, yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye for now. Bye.